Hey team, it is Whitney. I want to show you all my best tip for online partying. There will be a lot of best tips. I'm consolidating some videos for you all, and this is tip number one. So I have my Facebook party group set up here. This is my winter script. I'm working on putting it all together today. And one of the very first things I do whenever I set up a party group is change the settings. So how you do that is you just go to here, edit group settings, and then you're going to have all kinds of options here. So always fill out the description. I changed the color of the group to match the cover photo. And then this is my best tip, membership approval right here. I select only admins and moderators. So whenever somebody joins the group, it is going to pop up as a member request, and I'm going to be able to add them to the group or accept them into the group or decline them into the group. And what I do whenever I see that member request is I make sure that it doesn't say that anybody has added them into the group. That tells me that my hostess is doing what I asked her to do by just sending the link to the group rather than adding or inviting people into the group. So I come down here, I click only admins and moderators, click save, and then I'm going to get the group link for my hostess. So I can come up here and just copy and paste that link, and then I can send it directly to my hostess. And I'm going to tell her you can click here to join your party group, and then send this link to your guest who said that they want to come so that they can click the link to join just like you did. Remember, don't add or invite anybody into the group. They should be joining the group by accepting or clicking on the link. And that's what I do. So hope you all like this tip. Hope you find it helpful, and I will chat with you all later.